Stop waiting for science fiction. Humanoid robots are no longer just prototypes in a lab. You can actually pre-order them right now for delivery in 2026. In this video, I'm ranking the top 5 consumer-ready robots that are about to change your life. We are talking about a $20,000 home assistant that folds your laundry to the speed record holder. And finally, the Tesla bot that Elon Musk claims will be bigger than the iPhone. Let's see what you actually get for your money. Starting at number 5 is the 1X Neo. And this is arguably the most important one on the list because you can literally put down a deposit today. Unlike the metal skeletons we're used to, a Neo is designed with a soft, muscle-like anatomy. Think of it less like a machine and more like a gentle assistant in a biosuit. It's quiet, only 22 decibels, safe around kids, and uses embodied AI to learn chores just by watching you do them once. Price. Priority delivery in 2026 is locked in at $20,000, where you can grab a subscription model for around $499 a month. But while Neo is designed to be soft and safe for your living room, our next robot is built to dominate the factory floor, and it's already working real jobs today. Number 4 is Agility Robotics Digit. You might not buy this for your kitchen, but you will see it at work. Digit is already deployed in real warehouses like Spanx and Mercado Libre right now. It's not just testing. It has moved over 100,000 totes in live production. Notice the legs? They bend backward like a bird. This design makes it incredibly stable for carrying 35 pounds boxes all day without getting tired. The why? This proves humanoids work in brownfield environments, meaning they fit into existing human spaces without us having to rebuild the whole factory. Digit is a workhorse, but it's not exactly fast. If you want to see what happens when you give a robot a pair of sneakers and a jet engine, you need to see number 3. Number 3 is the Unitree H1, the current speed king of humanoids. While most robots shuffle along carefully, the H1 holds the world record for humanoid running at over 3.3 meters per second. It's built with 360-degree LiDAR perception, basically the same eyes used by self-driving cars, so it can see in every direction at once. Price. It's currently available for researchers for around $90,000 to $130,000. Speed is cool, but true intelligence is about understanding context. The next robot on our list is backed by OpenAI and can literally reason with you while it makes your coffee. Number 2 is Figure. Backed by massive investments from Jeff Bezos, NVIDIA, and OpenAI, this is where the brain gets scary good. The Figure 03 model runs on a vision language action model. In simple terms, you don't program it with code. You speak to it like a human. If you say, "I'm hungry," it doesn't just define hunger. It looks for an apple and hands it to you. It connects words to physical actions. They are building a factory to produce 100,000 of these, pushing the price down to compete directly with our number 1 spot. And finally, number 1, Tesla Optimus. Why is this number 1? Scale. Elon Musk's master plan is to manufacture these by the millions, aiming for a price tag of $20,000, cheaper than a car. Tesla is using the exact same AI chips from their self-driving cars to train Optimus. It's the same brain, just in a different body. By late 2026, external sales are expected to begin, meaning the biggest labor disruption in history is about 12 months away. The race is on. 1X Neo wants to be in your home, while Tesla wants to be everywhere else. Which one would you trust to fold your laundry? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to understand the brain behind these bots, click this video right here where I break down the new AI models powering them. Thanks for watching Creator AI Lab. Hit that subscribe button for more.